Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jel. For today's video, I will show you how to compute the mean of a discrete random variable. In our previous video, we already discussed the expected value. Actually, the mean of a discrete random variable x is also called the expected value. Okay, so yung mean natin class, ito, ay can be written in this symbol. Okay, so ibig sabihin mu. Okay, and then the expected value is represented as e of x, which means the expected value, or capital E of capital X. Okay, and don't forget that the mean is considered as a measure of the central location of a random variable. The mean or expected value of a discrete random variable x is computed using the formula below. Okay? So, pwedeng itong formula or pwedeng ito ang gamitin natin. So, either of the two. Okay? So, where x is the discrete random variable, yung capital X, and then another x is the outcome of value of the random variable. And of course, we have the p of x, or the probability of the outcome. Okay. So now, let's answer the following examples. Example number 1. A random variable x has this probability distribution. So we have the random variable, which are 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the p of x, or the probability of x. So with its corresponding probability, 0.10, 0.20, 0.45, and 0.25 respectively. Okay. So the question is, calculate the mean or expected value. Actually, yung mean tsaka expected value, halos magkapares lang sila. Okay? So, para masagutan natin yan, we can create another table. Okay, so we have x, and then, under x, or the random variable natin, yun ay, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, no? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then, we have the p of x, or the probability of x, with its corresponding probability na 0.10, 0.20, 0.45, and then for 4, we have 0.25. Okay? So, following our formula, sabi dyan, E of x is equal to the summation of x times the probability of x, or mu or mean is equal to the summation of x times the probability of x, or p of x, no? Okay, so ibig sabihin, ipag-multiply natin, okay, ito, si x and then p of x. Gets? Okay. And then, so we come up with x times p of x. Okay. So, 1 times 0.10, that gives us 0.10. And then, 2 times 0.20, 0.40 yan. So, guys, i-multiply natin to. Ito, tsaka to. Ito, tsaka to. Okay? And then, 3 times 0.45. Of course, that is about 1.35. And then last, 4 times 0.25. 4 times 0.25 gives us 1. Okay? And then, after that, getting the summation. Okay? So, kunin natin yung sum. Okay. So, the summation, yung summation nito, class, yan, the summation of x times the p of x, or the probability of x. So, 0.10 plus 0.40, and then plus 1.35 plus 1, that is about 2.85. Tama? Okay. So, guys, Ano ang ibig sabihin ng 2.85? So class, kapag interpret natin itong result na 2.85, no? Okay? Let's say the random variable or the random variable experiment here has the values of 1. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if that experiment is repeated, the expected value is between 2 and 3. Kasi yung 2.85 ay naglalay between 2 and 3. Gets? Okay. So, doon papasok yung 2.85 natin, which is the mean or the expected value. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. So, now, moving on sa example number 2, a researcher surveyed the households in a small town. The random variable x represents the number of college graduates. So take note of that. Yung mga x natin dito na 0, 1, and 2, ni-represent natin as random variable x, which is the number of college graduates in the households. The probability distribution of x is shown below. So guys, ito yun yung naka-table. Find the mean or expected value of x, which is the random variable x. No? Yung ni-represent natin as college graduates. Okay. So guys, dito, ayusin natin yung table. So we have x. So under x, so we have 0, 1, and of course 2, no? Yun yung ating random variable x. And then, with its corresponding probability, ito yung class. Yan. So, yung p of x natin, we have 0.25. We have 0.5 or 50, 0.25. And then, afterwards, the next thing to do ay get the product of x times p of x. So, another column tayo, x times p of x. Okay? So, x times p of x. So, 0 times 0.25, 0, right? 1 times 0.5, of course, 0.5 yan. Or 50, 0.50. 2 times 0.25, that is equal to, very good, 0.50. Okay? So, get the summation. So, ang summation natin dito ay the summation of x times the probability of x or p of x is now equal to 1. 1.0 or 1. Okay? So, class, kung i-interpret natin yung mean or yung expected value na na-compute natin, ang ibig sabihin, meron tayong average na 1 college graduates in the households with its corresponding probabilities na 0.50 or 50%. Okay? So, ang ating mean or expected value ay 1, no? Okay. So, ganun lang kasimple. Next, another example. So, we have number 3. Okay. So, a security guard recorded the number of people entering the bank every hour during one working day. The random variable x represents the number of people who entered the bank. The probability distribution of x is shown below. So guys, meron tayong table dito. This is our probability distribution. Okay? So the question is, what is the expected number of people who enters the bank every hour? Okay. So ayusin natin yung table. So we have x. Under x, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, under our random variable x, we have 0 up to 5. And then, with its corresponding probabilities, or the p of x, So, sa una, we have 0. Okay, and then the second one, we have 0.1. And then 0.2, 0.4, 0.2 also, and 0.1. Okay. And then, following our formula, no? So, we need to multiply x times p of x or get the product of the two. So, x times the probability of x. So, 0 times 0, of course 0. 1 times 0.1, the answer is 0.1, right? 2 times 0.2, 0.4. Okay? And then, 3 times 0.4, that is 1.2. 4 times 0.2, 0.8. And then 5 times 0.1, that gives us 0.5. Okay. So, guys, after natin makuha yung third column natin, the next thing to do ay get the summation, right? Okay. Kasi based on the formula, the summation of x times the probability of x or p of x. Okay. So, guys, kapag pinag-add natin tong mga to, ayan. Okay. We have very good 3.0 or 3, no? Okay, so therefore, the average number of people entering the bank every hour during that working day is 3. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay, so this is the end of our video. I hope na maraming kayo natutunan. Thank you for watching.